Equations fascinate me. As a freshman in high school, when I showed a real flair for working with math equations, my advisor suggested I transfer into an accelerated pre-calculus class. Excited, I arrived in the class to find the teacher, this belt cinched snugly just above his bulging belly in the most distracting manner, apparently in a race to explain abstract concepts as quickly as possible, never pausing to note whether anyone, including me, his newest bewildered student, could follow along. Well, I jumped right in, doing my best to decode what he was saying. After all, my love of equations was why I was there, along with the fact that I secretly thought of myself as a bit of a math genius. I did my best, but I was not making much progress. So I asked my dad, the smartest guy I knew, for help. After an hour of his head scratching, he too gave up in frustration. Well, I struggled through the rest of the semester, barely making a passing grade, and never ventured into the world of advanced mathematics again. It wasn't until years later, as I began to use images to help others understand and incorporate abstract ideas, that it occurred to me, if my math teacher had used simple pictures to illustrate complex math problems, the other students and I may have understood calculus. Instead, my inability to grasp what he was telling me, not showing me, gave birth to the belief that I simply wasn't smart enough for advanced mathematics. Later, I got involved in putting together the school yearbook, and I loved writing and photography, so this was perfect for me. Design fascinated me, and I became absorbed in the challenge of translating the experiences of our high school community into visual images. I learned all about what good concepts of visual design, and in the process, I became intrigued by the power of graphic images to convey complex abstract ideas, a process that is profoundly satisfying to both the person creating the images and to everybody who views them. A seed was planted in me from what I learned about the power of images and the power they have to embody dreams, vision, and ideas, and in turn, the impact that images can have on the person, whoever is viewing them. This understanding is at the core of the development of the creative genius equation process. I know that if you can tap into your own creativity to visualize and draw what you hope for, the chances increase significantly that you will bring them into being. I know it, I've seen it, I've proved it.